Ay nako, Pauline. Pauline, parang marami kang tinatolerate na siguro people. Okay, parang di mo like ma-accept na they are those people na ganun talaga. Pero for you here, parang sabihin na natin nagbulag-bulagan ka na ito yung mga talaga pinapakita nila and you're just like tolerating those behavior. It's time like to accept, okay, those things na yun talaga, okay, and for you here, like make something out of it, okay, na if that people is parang not been good, okay, or not been like hindi maganda yung ginagawa nila, this just say to them, okay, mas maganda na alam mo yung sinasabi mo yung mga pagkakamali nila, okay, for their own good because you actually care for them about that, okay. So this is what I'm getting for you, parang you're being ignoring the red flags for a lot of time and you need to make something out of that, okay. So that is the reading for you, the Two of Swords.